good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Brown coat gang in the building. It's really needed today, boy. It's cold out here today. Man, but we got stuff shaking. Today, well, first of all, I gotta put a battery in this thing. I had to buy a battery for the Nolly last night. Was yesterday. But so I can get this moved. I gotta move these cars around. Got a lot of stuff shaking. I will be shooting multiple videos for y'all today. They'll just be dropping different days because it's so much stuff. I literally, all in this same day, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all though, all in this same day, I got things shaking with all the cars. It's crazy. Like I told you, I'm making moves. I'm finishing the year out with a bang. So I got things shaking with all the cars. So I got my bro Herb. His name Herb, man. I've been knowing him for a long time. So y'all gonna see him for the first time today. He coming through. He gonna get that transmission line on wifey car. So that's what we checking in. When he pull up, man, he gonna get that done and all of that. He probably won't take him long, man. This man get down. He used to have a shop and all of that, man. He actually built the transmission, the last transmission I had in Big Meats. Him and another guy, they built it together. They used to have a shop together. They built my last transmission I had in Big Meats when I had that big block. So yeah, he the truth. But I'm about to get that battery changed out. When Herb pull up, we're gonna get to it. Well, he gonna get to it, I should say. I'm just gonna film. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in. You see my bro Herb done made it over here. About to get me right. Like I said, give y'all a rundown of me and Herb. Like I said, he been knowing me for a long time. Like I told y'all earlier. But he knew me before all this. Back when the only thing I had was Big Meats. Said him and another guy, they built the transmission in my car like I told y'all earlier in the vlog. Said I had, man, I ain't saying where I had it. The first one I had, who built it. I ain't saying nothing cause I don't do that, but it just didn't work out for me. But they got me right. Burnt the transmission. Actually, I had ran a race in Mexico. Didn't know my transmission it was already burnt up. I lost. I ain't had no nitrous. I went out there slipping. I ain't had no nitrous. I purged the bottle. It was air. But I was like, man, I'm on the line now. Gotta go. It was a big race for my hometown. And then my transmission was burnt up too. Cause on that video, it sounded like my car had a supercharger on. It was whining. But actually my transmission was cooked. Cause we ran the race in Mexico that Saturday. That Sunday, literally, I'm driving the car that next Sunday, about to go to the car wash. The transmission just burned up, just went up in smoke while riding. I wasn't even on it. Burned up everything. I didn't have no park, no reverse, no drive. It burned up everything in it. It was a 400. Spent 700 on it. So took it to Herb now. Hey man, they got it right. They never had no problem no more. Built the transmission, changed the converter. It's ready to go. So yep. But yeah, he get me right. He about to get the transmission line on. I've been fighting with it. Y'all saw me fighting with it for the last few vlogs. That's literally all holding it up from this car running cause it was leaking. But I put that fitting in there. Hey Herb, you'll check that fitting in there too, make sure it's tight. Yeah. That fitting though. So it's just that bottom line, y'all. I just got tired of fighting with it. Then I got too much going on today. Like I told y'all, it's multiple videos getting shot today. Y'all just get them different days cause it just be too much. And I'm trying to separate them by the car cause got the cut, something going on with the Cutlass and the Camaro. And y'all see that right now, so y'all just stay tuned. But y'all see, like I said, that's all we lacking, man. Get that line on, we can crank this thing up again. I run the electric choke wire, that's all I gotta do. Electric choke wire, and then I stopped hunting down a fan shroud after I was fighting with that line. But that's it. Then we can take this thing to the muffler shop and shoot, she'll be good to go. So after her get this on, we're gonna be rolling this week. She'll be driving this car this week if the muffler shop don't take long. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, we checking in, y'all checking in. Y'all see Herb gone. It was pretty quick. Y'all see this still jacked up, but man, yeah, boy, I done messed this one up. But what happened, I guess, when I was trying to get it in there, it cross-threaded. I don't know, you probably ain't gonna, it's gonna be hard to see. It cross-threaded right here. Look like it cross-threaded on the hose too. So now I don't think I can buy just the hose, or I know I can buy the fittings. They sell just the fittings, but I don't think I can buy just the hose. So now I'm probably gonna have to buy a whole nother line kit just to get one line in the fitting. I'm probably gonna have to just buy it again, man. And I hate I didn't know that ahead of time, cause y'all know I just went to Summit. Me and Tina just went to Summit, man. 2 days ago. I think 2 days ago. Yeah, we just went to Summit. So I'm like, God. And I got too much going on today. So Herb asked me, like, man, when I'm gonna have it, he'll come back today, man, and just boom, boom, bam, we'll be in there. But I don't know. I got too much going on today. I can't get up there today. So what we probably gonna do, but then again, I don't know. I don't know, me. I get in power mode, and then go. But I think time gonna get the best of me today. So I don't think we're gonna be able to make it happen. But if not, I'm just gonna order and all of that, and we'll wait till it come. But I might go up there. I don't know. Y'all just stay tuned in to the vlog. It ain't over. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Early morning. Y'all see Herb out here. About to get it in. The transmission lines came. So we about to make it happen. Early. Cold out here too. So they came in yesterday. Right here. So yeah, man. About to get it in. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all see, I got the 5-foot line. So cause you get them other lines, I think they way too long. So you trying to get these lines for a G body, like I said in the other video, get the 5-foot lines. They are perfect length. Like I said, these pre-made and all of that. So true braided line too. It's not that them one with rubber hose. With a braided covering. That's what I like about them. They real deal braided line. So we got the new braided line, and we got the new fitting that I had cross threaded. All me trying to put it in, messed up a fitting. So like I said, Herb already on it. He get this done, then I'm gonna come out here, cause I'm working out right now, y'all. I come out in the morning to get it in. Then when he get this on, shoot, all I gotta do is run the electrode wire, which we gonna do that in this video too. So I said I put them both together cause I know he gonna be quick. I'm gonna run the electrode wire. We're gonna put the transmission fluid in it and make it happen. So when he get the line on, we're gonna crank it up. Shouldn't be no leaks, cause y'all remember last time that's the only leak we had with that transmission line. So after he do that, we're gonna fire this thing up for a second, and we're gonna check for the leaks. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm about to go in here and finish working out, getting it in. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking back in. Literally about 10 minutes later. He done knocked it out that quick. I've been still fighting. 10 minutes. Got it done. So hook the battery up. We're gonna crank it up. See what's going on. That was quick, man. That was real quick work. Y'all in Georgia need some work, mechanic work. Y'all can get at Herb, man. He get right. So we about to crank this thing up. All right. Huh? Yeah, it's starting to get to it now. All right. I say I got one too. That cold and killed that battery, y'all. It's all right. Cause I bought that new one for the Denali. And Denali about to be out of here. Said we gonna I'm gonna pull that motor out. Then I'm gonna put that new battery in wifey car. So Herb got his jump box. I got mine. Y'all know I got this super jump box too. That cold, boy. That cold. Yeah. Killer battery. We ready? Getting the jump bar hooked up. Then we're gonna see what it do. Alright. Oh yo. Y'all, we got one head on. One is off. Don't look like we got no leaks. I think we good, Herb. Yeah, I ain't seen none either. I think we good, man. Shout out to my bro Herb, man, for knocking me out. Anytime. Man, I'm talking about he did that fast, y'all. If I would set the camera down and let y'all. I'm telling you, boy, y'all saw how fast he did that. So yeah, man, when I finish my workout, y'all, I'm gonna come out here and run that electric choke wire then. It'll be a wrap for this one. We'll put some fluid in it. So yeah, we good. He got that transmission. He got that transmission leak. We got the new line on. So yeah, man, we good to go. Got it all zip tied on the end and everything. So Monte Carlo on schedule. Shout out to Herb.